Following Madison. What's she getting? What is she getting? She was spinning the wheel and she got something, some kind of freebie. What is it? Oh, right.
It's something you're gonna want.
Oh, that's right. You want something for your mama. You want something for your mama.
Bringing me a ticket. Oh my gosh. This is the one and only Alan Israel. Can I help you? What's going on, T-Pain?
Look what you got. Look what you got. Oh, yeah.
Yeah. We'll see you.
Ah.
Ladies, have a good one.
You too.